Ngigqibeleni nofuna endlini. Ake nifonele olady. Mama. Uthetha nomntana wakho. Hayi bunjani? Uthetha noGqebs nje na. Oh, sikube nje wena mama. You are not busy no mama. You are mama. You. Ngifuna uxolibala ngolesihlanu ngiyeza. Plus napha emsenzini manje izinto zinambela kahle buso. Sifundile spoil. So banjani abantwana basekhaya? Ndiyabazi ke abo. Alo Thwanvani nayo but ke ubhuti omkhulu ngizaspoilisha. Okay ke ungabaxeleli bandiyeza ke. Bye bye ke mama. Uthanda ndi mama yensensenzi asingiyeza thanda nawe mama. Sure. Okay, bye bye ke.
Ya Frank, kenzanani? Kenzanani ni sana. Next.
Putamuyeza.
Okay.
And unemali loya.
Hey bo. Ubuta kama Mike nyamaza anceshana lo.
Ayiloyo. Omunye firstborn.
Muphi?
Muhle. Handsome choy. Unemali uzongithengela yonke into engifunayo.
Like
uzongitreat amathi princess.
Like
uzoba jealous.
Whoa, yonke into. Hey, asibone ngikhola ngokubona.
Joy, unemali putamwa une-jealous.
Ngikhola ngokubona uzwa.
Unamanga, une-jealous vele usho. Manje ukwatile.
Angikwatanga kekho shilo ukuthi ngikwatile.
Uyaphunya. Uyaphusha. Uyahleka.
Uyangiphusha.
Yini?
Uyangiphusha.
Uthatha space sami.
Ana space.
Uyahleka isikhathi. Ukusala putamuyeza.
Angadaba.
Okay. Suka wena. Suka wena.
Hamba vele.
Hayi. Hayi impilo. Hayi. Iyafana no life. Yazi sometimes sanokucabanga nje. Mani niyalibele ngiyakhuluma mani la wona awuphenduli back. Hamba.
Mfana inkinga eziningi mfana.
Inkinga zani mani?
Mfana angikhingekile. Njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje ngikhingekile.
Ukhinywa yini?
Mfana Khulumani liyeza nje.
Hayi khuluma lakho liphi manje?
Firstborn.
Firstborn yini?
Bongazi.
Oh ilebe yini? Leva isageleza.
Kuyazange kusahlukanisa i-time. Yena khetha ukukhuluma ne-time lakhe. Ngikhetha ukukhuluma.
Oh nishera
time. Mama ngithi time lakhe.
Into yena hayi ukuthi yena umntwana into.
Hayi akuseyakhe.
Yena kanabani?
Hayi angazi ukuthi enye uyithatha kodwa akayi.
Maye yena usebenza ukwenzani vele yena? Azi ngihlezi ngiyazibuza ngiyaziphendula. Lentona lesibhani ukwenza.
Vele yenzani leyawuthi?
Mina sike sigubhulule siphenya yabona si
Hayi angifuni ukuyisukela.
afuna ukuyisona.
Hayi.
Maye kuwe nayo bani nomntana?
Uyo mdala ngiyalandela mina.
Like ngishiya ngameni years.
No 1 year kuphela. Ayekho mdala kangaka. Bengiyayi ungicontrola kakhulu 1 year hayi come on 12 months musle.
True.
12 months akusi 1 year 12 months.
Amele ukukhuluma naye nje.
Ngizothini kuye?
Hayi.
Ngizothini kuyanyanyisa kayi? Uzombona makafika la and ngicela ungamfirstanya ngicela ukuthi unemali ngicela ungamthandi nje. Hayi ngiyakwazi hayi ungayi. Ungayi kuye.
Awunebrayam nawe yazi.
Khuleka. Engiyakhinya mfana yo la uthi uzoyizwa imodi. Yo, let's yo.
Oh, Taishi,
my money this, my money that.
Oh yeah. Basketball.
Yeah.
Oh, LeBron James.
Suka ngibasile uyazi abasekhasi imbele 1632
Jelo speaking.
ngazodla shela phansi kokotela phezulu. Yini khomba Yebo. Lapho. Ungena lapho. Hayi mfana, sothini.
Sometimes nje ngisanokubona nje ukuthi hey umuntu ungathi uphila impilo efake.
Impilo ayiphilayo ifake.
Fake ne.
Fake.
Hayi.
Blind. Hayi kancane futhi.
Enetho. Engathi ngibone bathi popular lapha kumafezana nyana wise la. Iphethe i-triplate ifuna shanga triplate. Amna ngizama ukuyikhuthula
Sohlulwa yini?
ngingumdrive mase. Mina ngine plan boy.
Plan.
Plan lami yazicabula thini.
Yeah.
Ngizama ke mina ngizodila naye. Ngiyathi nje ngifuna wena uvume ukuthi mina ngidile naye. Angisho bathi nemali. Mina nje ngizoyenza imali ukuthi thina sibe grand. Ubona kanje. Yeah. Ela ngiyeke boy. Ngiyeke. Plaza khanifiki kuzoba ngathi khanifiki nda ingikhohliwa ingazi. Ngikhohliwe. For sure naye ngicina vele sisadlala lapha ngetina la.
Utshentshile nona thingisisearch. Uzothi ngihleka nawe kanti ayikuthembi.
Noma ngazisesha kudala sengihambile. Yala bayizinto yambili beshe nayo. Uyazisesha kanti for khona dala hambile.
Hayi naye ngibona umsengiyakwazi.
Oh
Ngeke sengiyakwazi. Awuthi ngiphumule kancane mngana wami kunengikhuluma nawe.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngikhathele mngana wami.
Mngana wami ngisakutshela ngaleya nto yabo. Ezinye izinto nje kumele sishama license boys sicela ukuhamba ngama truck.
Uyakwazi ukudrive.
So drive isikhulunyana ephusha yana wise ayithola.
Sive
Bese lo driving
wena ngeke ufike ucela ukudrive ufike utshontshe lama truck wabo.
Yeah ngisho wena uyakhona ukhona driver. Uyakhona ngisho. Thina sithatha lama truck la mina ngeza kuwe bese uyangidrive. Bese ngishaya comfort nganje. Ngizosuthatha ngibhatala imali ngikwazi ukuthathela into. Ngiyakwazi ukuzidrivela bese ngifundiswe uwe mas. Bheka phansi ngibona le. Wait. Speed.
Ora sani ipari san. Keda pari le don. Ora san.
Umfonele manje uphuma.
Zokufonela kanjani ungena phone?
Umfonele manje uphuma.
Kanjani? Sure. Hi, pari le don.
Yo, what's going on, man? We just landed, man. We're now in the hood. As y'all can see, we just landed from a fresh plane straight from what? Israel, bro. Masham, dibona kakhe? Hayibo nyani. Nyana wam. Ubuyilo nyana wam. Ezingeli nyamakasa. Woo! Halal. You andisavuyi. Ngizongena mntanami. Now we just landed, we in the hood. I'm about to holler at all my people. Always shout out to y'all, man. You know, yeah.
Hayi bo mntanami. Hey awusakhulanga. Unjani?
Nah, I'm good, man. Just chilling, you feel me?
Hey hayi mdala ngoku. Hey uxake nami mntanami.
Nah. You know, yeah. I just like eating the right food, you know, getting vitamin C from like the sun and stuff, you know? Yeah.
Hey. You? Gogo buphi ke?
Who, me? I've been in Israel, mom.
Hayibo Mosi. Gogo ngibona ngithixo mntanami because ndava kuthiwa yabo eBhayibhelini Israel.
Nah. Moses ain't there, you feel me? Yeah, it's just like people.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Yeke mntanami.
Oh, yeah.
Gogo wenza ntoni empilweni ke mntanami?
Ndenza ntoni ngoku? Like, I dropped out of school. Not really dropped out of school. I went to varsity, then I left varsity. Now I'm just like an entrepreneur. I made my own money now.
Yintoni ngoku leyo?
I do Forex.
Forensic. Like abantu
Man, bro. Y'all's 1K generation be way too old, you feel me?
Forex.
Y'all be way too old. Forex, it's like foreign exchange, you feel me?
Ndazi noyazi. Bo izinto zoba mdala. Engekho lokho i-forensic ngexesha lethu. Engekho tu mntanami.
Mine's that. You feel me?
Hayi mom so. Kike masiyeke ke la masiyeke. Ubutata. Who? My dad. Like unomuntu. My dad is good. Nah, he ain't got no girl. I got no girl. Nah. Get on that hard and that's girl. Mama, is that hard? Oh, moms, you see, no, stop that, mom, stop. Upige utata. Izomxelela ke ba khona lokho hayibo akulink futhi manje imfone nditsofikile don't call him
Outside in the hood. Yo.
Ngwaphi ke?
Are you good, bro?
Say
shout out to my vlog, buddy.
Relax.
Are you the person?
Hey,
Look,
relax, dog.
I got $50 for you. Are you the person who does like our garden here?
Dimlo.
Huh?
Ewe.
I pay. So,
Yebo le plant. Le plant le. Yaxelela.
Okay, wait.
Le plant le.
Sit down, please. Please sit down, please.
Sit down.
Yeah, please.
Into not.
Like, Salapanti.
Salapanti.
Yeah, bro. Yo, I'm gonna write the translation down for anyone who does not like understand our African language, okay? Yeah. So now we about to take a picture together, okay? Then just take the money. Tata imali, yeah. So pose like this, bro. No, go down.
Yeah. Nayibona.
Yeah. Yo,
John.
give him. Can I have my money? Yeah, I'm gonna give you. Can I have my money? Yo, shout out. We giving back to the community. We're giving back. # giving back to the hood. Much. Grand. Ufuna noni garden yami nafethu? Ungwaphi wena? 50
Sebenza apha
siduka fethu siduka.
Sebenza apha njena.
Ihlile mos le garden mos.
Ihlina ngibani?
Esibese mos sponsor sakho.
Ewe man.
Grand.
Jonga.
Amot.
Athi za frostana.
Angifrostana I'm sure.
Ungwaphi fethu? Ungwaphi?
Angilapha.
Ufike nini?
Angisanungena ngo.
Jonga. Ngizofumana apha ngomso.
Sure.
Elinye 50 ke. Zayitina le gadi.
Angavara shone.
Andizo meet and leach.
Awe.
Andizishiya kwanto.
Mama, sure. And then wena
Ufuna la wena.
ngifunani wena ufunani wena la?
Wakhetha ubabakho.
Nawe wakhetha wakho nje.
Kanti into ofunani? Kanti ona yini ngawe kanti? Ufunani la?
Kwamama nje mosapha.
Unukana kabi la.
At least ngwena kaba unuku atmosphere.
Uyithenge play kolona inuka la.
Orkanti. Uyithenge play ayekela. Nokukhwapha yo.
Asasunuka kabi. Cela ungifele into ethelile.
Yes, sizogafela nale mara. Futhi angisayifunda sala guy nayo, hey.
Ufunani kahle wena la?
Ufunani kahle? Kusekhaya la ufuna ukuthini? Ayangikhinya yo. Yini?
Uvani?
What about never? Because I'm survived. Very firstborn and favorite child. Feel I'm sorry, favorite child.
Favorite child yan. We favorite child wena.
At least ngifazi.
Wazini ngefavorite wena?
Wena phela wena asikwazi wena. Awufani nathi sonke. Ngibhora la.
Ngiyanyisa. Angikuthandi. Like next.
Feeling is mutual, brother.
Next.
No one turn.
Ngiyakuphika ebantwini.
At least uyangiphika. Abantu abakwazi. Hayi. Futhi angiclaim nokuclaima.
Promise ngikutshele la.
Ungitshelani?
Welcome to 1632. La siyakhala. Mawulahlile uyapopa.
Mazikhala ngikhala nazo. Hawu. Thina ubengixela ngo-1632, 1632.
Uva nini?
Angivali. First ngizoblowa amakayi plus. I make money on YouTube now, bro. And Forex.
Mani apho yo ejob forex. Wenzani empilweni?
Uthi? Awuva.
Wazini wena ngeforex wena? Wazini?
Ayazi Forex.
Forex.
Foreign exchange.
Inzakalani lapho?
Yeah, I just make money, man. But siphume apho, man. Wena wenza ntoni wena for a living?
Ngiyaphefumula.
Phefumula kakubi. Ha.
Uhamba nini lo muntu? Uhamba nini?
Andami.
Uhamba nini?
I'm here to stay.
Ayitsho hey.
Yabo ngoku deep businessman. Ngoku ngizoqasha ne
Businessman yana uphila ngemali kababakho.
kababami.
Uphila ngemali kababakho.
Jonga.
Ela, phila ngemali kababakho.
Yeah, marimali zamalini, Jo.
Hey, akunawo wona uyazifanela nje nami wena nje.
Ngoku kwatela ukuthi your dad didn't lock in. Ah man, suka man.
Ngiyafana.
Ayifani. Asiyeke. Jonga.
At least
Ah, yeke. All I'm saying is, sokunika imali ngoku ne.
ngiphi imali kanti usamele no usa explainer.
Transfer.
Transfer iphi for angina phone ngicela angazi iyayenza ngebluetooth.
Sure. Okay, ithi account yakho ke.
Ngicela ngecash mina ngicela ngecash.
Oh my days, bro.
Ngicela
In
ngecash.
2026.
Ngiphi cash?
Anama ATM kwalapha around.
Uyikude kwamele siwalk.
Walk. Okay, we're gonna take it over. Do you know the address? Oh my days,
Bhala
bro.
lapho angazi noma technology wenda.
My phone just shut. Do you have an iPhone charger? You don't?
Mina
Next time.
mali ongithembise yona.
Next time.
Next time yani. Singawalka lapha semaithemini. Eh?
Chumi. Eze. Tsunze. Bega ketin chum. Ini eketin. Ini uputwami. Oh yeah.
Bro.
Yo, sekafike vele lapho utwakhe. Yo. So Amin is not gonna spend time with me.
You. Look at how grown you've become.
Yeah.
Mdala ngoku. Yo, how old are you? How old are you now?
11. 13. 10.
Ayazi age yakho.
2.
Eh?
2.
Unangaphi mina?
50.
Eh?
7. No. Angiyazi.
Hi, how? Unjani ke? Yo, we have to go get your hair done ASAP. Hey, bro. You good? Ukile, did you eat?
No, I need some pizza.
Pizza. Okay. At 7 we're gonna go buy pizza, ne?
Yeah.
Sure.
Do you have a car?
Huh?
Do you have a car?
No, but I have a Carvela though.
What is?
I have a Carvela.
I didn't ask you, bro.
Okay. We're gonna talk later, ne? We're gonna go buy your pizza.
Wait.
Huh? Wait.
Say. How much?
This was just 50K. I don't know. A young 50K.
Nama.
Why would I lie? I have money now.
Andy.
No, it's not. I'm gonna talk to you later, ne?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Do you have an iPad? Even an iPhone?
I do have an iPad.
iPhone?
Yeah, I do have an iPhone.
Are you from America?
I'm from Israel.
Bye, I'll see you.
Okay, bye, ne?